Okay boys, back with video number 2, PCV systems. I know the book talks about doing some vacuum testing on them. I don't know if you can see this, but I don't know if you guys can see all the little oil dots all over the place. I started the car with the oil cap off, and that's basically what happens, is that there's an actual pressure there instead of a vacuum. You can see it fluttering up and sucks it back down. Okay, those are the pressure pulses of a 4-cylinder engine in between the combustion events. So I have pressure coming out and there's a little bit of suction going back in. Okay, so there's a lot of people that think, especially old school way of thinking, that if there is not a vacuum in the crankcase, then you have a problem. You have too much of a problem with too much blow by, you have bad rings, or something like that. We have too much going by the rings, causing a higher pressure in the crankcase, which causes that specific problem where there's actual air coming out of the cap. And you can tell that that's the case because there's a bunch of oil droplets everywhere. So we're actually getting oil coming out of that valve cover. And I don't know if you could hear it very well, but the engine makes a different kind of noise when you leave that cap off, like a fluttering noise, like an exhaust leak almost. So something you can try with your own vehicle. Take the gas cap off with it started and see if it shoots out air. It probably will be if it's a 4-cylinder. If it's a V6 or V8, you might have a little bit of vacuum there. The only ones that I've seen has some vacuum there are like Audi. I think we tested an Audi, can't remember what it was, as a V8 that actually had a little tiny bit of vacuum at the oil filler. Okay guys, thanks, see you later.